Donair is lamb.
Yeah, you don't know that?
No.
Yeah.
Whatever.
So good. It is good.
Yes.
So we want that's a 1 whole 1.5 liters.
Yeah, that meat disease commercials.
I just want to go on the record to say that I think this is a horrible idea, but
It's the best idea.
yeah.
I thought it was Suffolk County cow.
Like on.
Display that Koolaid right there.
Doesn't matter.
There we go.
Exactly what is going on.
Hot Koolaid from a coffee maker.
We put the ingredients of life together, and now we will give birth to a lovely
Yeah.
thing of.
You better hope it dissolves right down the middle, and then leaves, and it can able to leave, not create like.
You didn't put it in a filter, did you? Nope. Okay. Yeah, because that might hamper your.
Oh, a filter.
Oh.
I can't tell what color it is. Pink.
Yes.
Does it look like there's pink steam?
And steamy. Wow. Okay. So we have almost 10 cups worth here.
Oh god.
Enough for everyone.
That's why I asked, and apparently they put fries in their chicken donairs all the time.
Do they?
Yeah. This isn't free steak, it's actually regular.
It actually makes it
Put
good.
on the phone, stain it on you.
So we're almost at the 2 cups level.
I'm gonna go get more water. Who's in you with this?
No one then. It was Julian Smith's idea. What is all
Blame it all on heaven.
Do you do everything Evan tells you to do? Jeez.
Why?
It's like
Bring a cup of blood. Because especially if it was any like coffee blood, which was real coffee.
why'd you get cherry?
That's the kind of hey, it was spur of the moment pie.
You should have gotten the like a blue one. That would have been sweet.
Blue and brown.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. I travel.
She had one.
It's not a hard choice. Go bowling, read a midterm,
Is there a midterm at 3?
the 2, the 4.
Right fast.
Well, obviously the right choice is to go bowling.
Or right
Yeah, I
fast.
just get about 35% of my mark, no big deal.
Yeah, you can take him to the finals. Get deferred. Yeah, the swine flu.
85%
What
final would
is
be so
that?
stressful.
Oh, Koolaid.
Someone did count the 75. What? What do you think it is?
How much Kool-Aid do you think is actually left in there right now?
You're videotaping this?
Well, for a bit.
Fair bit? Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you're
This is for posterity. And also a possible, like, what not to do video. Did you put 10 cups worth in there of Kool-Aid? Or did you just kind of like...
Measured, it says 4.5 liters of water for 1 whole package. So we just put in a quarter.
Okay. 4.5 liters.
You may be onto something here. Who knows? Maybe within a couple of years, all the coffee shops will have, Colombian decaf Kool-Aid.
It's fun.
Colombian decaf, dairy.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe maybe.
Okay. So that's okay. So has everybody bought their tickets for bowling? No. I know the answer is because I think there and 8 tickets been sold. And in total? Okay. Yeah, no, 8 tickets total.
That's it.
Yeah.
Sucks.
Like through all the places. Yeah. Like for everybody.
But more people show up if you just like said show up and
Yeah.
Or should I book lane?
Yeah, you have to book it in advance, right? So you can't just be like show up. And really, I mean, it's 2 days away, so like 3 days before. But it's like I have to know by Thursday basically. So really, it's not like oh well, I don't know what I'm doing on the weekend. Like well, at that point you make plans to go bowling with your service. I mean, yeah, like 2 weeks in advance. Are you videotaping that thing?
Mhm.
How long can you keep it for?
Who's gonna drink it?
I'll have some
Looks like
after you guys do.
I'll be ready to administer first aid.
And what if you put Jello in there and then just let the water percolate through? It's hot.
yeah,
Yeah, but
Dissolve and then you pour it.
Getting the filter crap.
But the Jello won't solidify in the filter. It's warm.
After you're
have
done,
it in there, then you
your
pour it
filter
into
is crap.
Yeah, then you pour in 2 molds. Instant Jello maker.
But after you're done, your filter is crap.
did you
Where's
put
mine?
No, because the gelatin won't solidify unless it's in the fridge.
But it's all of the paper on out.
Oh, it's going out?
Your metal mesh
Yeah,
thing.
Oh.
you can just wash.
Yeah, that I agree.
Your
Paper
metal
filter. I don't think so.
Yeah, if it's dissolved, it goes through.
I like to try making like homemade Coke black. Putting the coffee black, but put it in Coke instead of water.
You do what? Coke?
You remember a couple years ago they had like Coca-Cola black? It was like Coke but with coffee in it. It was actually really good. But no, apparently how it started is like people in Europe were like putting Coca-Cola through their coffee.
Oh. You like put
But you still put your coffee grounds
so
in.
you put the Coke.
Tomorrow,
Yeah,
I
exactly.
have a new experiment.
Koolaid flavored Coke.
Oh, gross. Huh? Take that? Okay, it's almost there. Almost done.
Is
Look
it
at that.
the lower one that it'll hit? Because you fill it, yeah, you fill it to the upper.
Look at that. It's just like stewing around and mixing. There's a little floaty thingy in there.
Does look like Jello.
It looks angry.
It looks angry. Looks like a.
It's clear to people.
It looks like a potion of some sort. Red potion. It's a red potion.
Healthy, but
It's like
it's like 20 HP.
That's so funny because
It
I've
looks
been
like
addicted to Diablo 2 for like the last week.
I'm on budget.
Yeah.
It's good to see people still playing that.
It is.
I have the first Diablo at home. Peace.
First one's alright.
The first one was scary.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Are you sure you have
Oh no. Oh.
It's gonna be between like coffee and dripping. Dripping.
There's nothing left.
I don't think that can be good for the coffee maker.
That's what I was saying.
Well, they put CLR in it. They recommend you put CLR in it.
But that's why we're going to make a cup of coffee afterwards.
Well, just run hot water through it. Don't put coffee in.
And
So
then
I guess we're
vinegar.
just drinking inside the office.
I don't know. I think there's more room here for the layout if I have to do CPR.
Okay. I think.
Done?
Is it still dripping?
No. Barely. Okay.
I'm pretty sure like they've been sanitized, but they're actually nasty. I don't think that means you can drink out of it, but
I'm sure they're fine.
they don't smell.
Oh.
Like,
That's Spain. The only way to get out is acid. No, it's hard to explain those off. You gotta use like vinegar. Let it soak.
Yeah, who wants some?
oh, that's so nice.
Grab your cup and pass it on.
not having it. Oh my god, I refuse.
Who wants diabetes?
Really, yeah.
Diabetes. Or you have some music?
Tastes like really
I'll have like a little bit.
Yeah, it does look, this does look really dilute. You said half.
Half? How much?
Oh my god. I got some coffee grounds too.
Caffeine too.
Half.
We're gonna be rich.
It kind of smells caramelized almost. It's weird.
It's not.
Kind of like apple cider, except instead of apple, it's cherry.
Oh, hey, come on.
Okay. All right. How is it, guys?
Cheers.
Is it good?
Join Safewalk. Read
Good?
my Koolaid.
That is really good.
I know, right? I'm actually surprised.
How is it? How's it?
Good. It's very good.
Good. It's good.
Yeah. I'm impressed with how well this turned out.
Okay, I might have to try it like coffee.
You want to try it?
No, it does. Mine tastes like coffee.
Got some coffee grounds.
Yeah, there's coffee.
There's that.
Barely any.
Honestly, I think it tastes like peas.
Yeah.
Peas? Like, not bad. Like, I like garden peas, not like crappy peas.
All right. So this has been like an official Safewalk experiment, right? Okay.
It's like,
Cheers, guys.